dito. Dito sa mga puno. Tatapyasin daw nila yan.
English?
They're gonna tops the trees. Di ba pwede maglagay ka ng subtitle sa baba? So this is it. This is the land. Canaan. That is the school. Boundary. Boundary, 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 boundary.
You want to be in the middle of nowhere?
Masaya dito. Maraming